it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, you guys, I want to talk to you all about the Nordstrom credit card. So a lot of people are interested in getting so many different credit cards, or they don't even know that you can get certain credit cards like Visa credit cards through certain stores. And it's easier to get a credit card if you're getting it from like a store. And I definitely want to tell you guys about this credit card because it's not so hard to get. And as you can see too, over $1,000 approval is good for a lot of store cards, especially if you're going to get it as a Visa and have bad credit. Now, if you all want me to make a video for you in the future on any other credit card, definitely let me know. I'll be happy to make that video. Don't forget, I opened up my schedule so you all can go ahead and schedule an appointment with me. If you all have any questions about home buying or anything with your credit, I'll be happy to help you during our scheduled call. Just make sure you use that link down below. Now, let's get right on into this credit card. Now, with the Nordstrom credit card, you all, somebody asked, they said they got approved, but what credit bureau are they going to pull from? They're going to pull from your Experian credit report. So your Experian report. And it is going to be a hard pull. Don't get fooled by that. Some people only have Credit Karma. You guys are not looking at all three of your credit reports. But so you don't even know that it is going to be a hard pull to Experian because you don't get any notification. But it is going to be a hard pull with Experian. So if you guys get approved for this credit card, you can actually use the credit card right away. You can use the Apple Pay and the Google Pay. So you can go ahead and connect it and you can go ahead and use this credit card right away. And that's if it's a Visa. Now, it's two different credit cards that they can actually give you. So let me tell you guys about that. You have the Visa and then you have the retail card. Now, the retail card is the one you can only use at Nordstrom. You can only shop there. Now, with a Visa, you can use that wherever Visa is accepted. I'm pretty sure you all know about that, but you can use this one everywhere. So that's one thing I like about the Nordstrom card. You guys have the option to get a Visa, and you got the option of getting a store card. And you know what else I really, really like? And you all, if you watch my videos, you know I really like it. There's no annual fee for this credit card. And that is really good. I don't want you all to have to pay a fee every year just to keep a credit card, especially not a credit card like this. It's not like you get some major rewards on a credit card, for traveling. But yeah, this one do not have an annual fee. So I really like that about the Nordstrom credit card. So if you all want to go ahead and apply for the card, I can't show you the full application because they're going to ask for your phone number when you first go ahead and apply. So click apply now. They're going to ask for you to, actually I tried to start it up already, you guys, but let me see if I can redo this screen. See if they're gonna. There we go. So yeah, they'll ask for your phone number right here, and then you can go ahead and click continue. Now, some people ask, Rickita, is this credit card with the shopping cart trick? And I'm going to still go over that. So wait about a minute, and then I'll tell you all about the shopping cart trick and let you know if this card is a part of the shopping cart trick. I first want to show you these fees. So I want you all to get in the habit of seeing what your fees are going to be with your credit card. I want you guys to make it a habit to look and see what the fees are. So with this credit card, you got two. You got the Visa. If you guys get the Visa, then you're going to be paying around 18.9% to 25.9%. And if you guys have their store card, just a regular credit card, then you're going to pay 25.9%. So as you can see, it's higher. You have a higher percentage rate if you just get a store card. It is better off. You are better off just getting that Visa. Now, I told you all that there is not an annual fee, so that's really good. There's not an annual fee at all. And if you have the Visa card, you can actually do a cash advance. We can take cash off of your credit card, and you're going to pay $10 or 5% of the amount of each advance, whichever one is greater. Now, I don't like for people to do cash advances on credit cards because the fees are just too high, and you start getting charged interest right away. So try not to do cash advances if you can, and then try not to have late fees because you're going to get charged up to $40, and then return payments because you can get charged up to $29. And when you have a return payment, sometimes they'll just go ahead and close your account out completely. And I know for sure Capital One does this, so make sure you guys are not doing that, having a return payment. That's basically telling a company to take money out your bank account, but then the money is not there. Don't do that, you all. Now, let's get into this idea of, is this one of the shopping cart trick credit cards? So I looked through the website, you all. and it looks like you could possibly do the shopping cart trick with them, but you can't. And let me tell you why you can't do it. It's because they're not with the banks that have the shopping cart trick credit cards. So you are not able to use the shopping cart trick for this website because they do not have it available for you all. But a lot of people, if you like Nordstrom, you guys can go ahead and look into getting Express, because Express, they have that shopping cart trick for you. You guys can go ahead and do the shopping cart trick with them. Now, usually when you try to do the shopping cart trick with Express, then usually you'll get between $250 and $1,000. That's how much you'll usually get approved for. So you guys can definitely try to see if you can get the Express credit card to work when you go ahead and try the shopping cart trick. Now, if you don't know what shopping cart trick is, that's where you can get the credit cards without them actually checking your credit reports and look at your credit score. So you're able to just get a credit card with bad credit. And if you guys want to get the shopping cart trick to work for you, definitely go ahead and check out some of my other videos. But you also want to go ahead and opt into a company called Factor Trust and the opt-out pre-screen. And I tell you all about both of these companies in the shopping cart trick video, but I can still tell you a little bit now. So with the Factor Trust, it's basically just it's a small credit bureau, and you can see they're connected with TransUnion. So they're a small credit bureau. They're connected with TransUnion, and what they do is they send your information out to a lot of companies. Say if you want to get approved for credit cards, then, or you want to get pre-approved for credit cards, then they'll go ahead and send your information out to those credit card companies that offer those credit cards, and then you'll start getting a lot of credit cards in the mail saying, "Hey, you're pre-approved for our credit card. We can pre-approve you up for $2,000." You start getting a lot of those letters in the mail. But now we have technology; you're able to get those online. So that's how the shopping cart trick comes about. Because you can go ahead and act like you're going to buy something from websites. If this shopping cart trick work with them, you act like you're going to buy something from them, and you're going to put up to $200 to $250 in your cart. And then you're going to get a pop-up saying, "Congratulations, you're pre-approved for a credit card." And then you're going to go ahead and put your information in. Then they're going to tell you how much you're approved for. And then you're going to exit out the cart altogether because you don't really want to buy anything. You just want to get approved for the credit card. But first, you got to opt into Factor Trust. So let's go ahead and make sure that you have opt-in checked. And then you want to go ahead and put your information into their system so that they can go ahead and send out offers for you. So your first and last name, your social security number, your date of birth, your address with your city, state, and zip code, and your email address. You want to go ahead and put all of this in. And then it's the same thing with the opt-out pre-screen. You want to go ahead and put all your information into this website also. And then go ahead, click right here. You'll see the application is going to pop up. Now they have a security code at the bottom of their application. So make sure you all get that security code right, or you're not going to be able to submit your application. And then they also ask for your phone number. In fact, the trust does not ask for your phone number. I do suggest you all put your phone number in, even though it's not required. And that's because it's just going to be an extra way that they can actually know that it's you. So make sure you put your phone number in. It's an extra verification, extra way to verify you. But you guys, that is the Nordstrom credit card. So that is the Nordstrom credit card. Hopefully you all get approved for the Visa. But if you are having a hard time getting approved for credit cards, or say if you're trying to buy a house, you're trying to do anything, definitely let me know, because I can go ahead and help you with that process. You can go ahead and schedule a call down below, or you can just go ahead and sign up for my exclusive membership. And I have both of those links in the description and in the comments. Don't forget, you all, I go live every Friday, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So please make sure you guys come and ask me any questions that you have while I am live, because all I do is answer any questions that you guys may have. If you want to make a video, definitely let me know. Go ahead and leave it down below, and I'll be happy to make that video. But other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. There's so many people out there with debt. so much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car, they can't get a mortgage, they can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership, and it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repair. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.